Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will try to install Kali Linux on a VMware. Kali Linux, it's an operating system. It shows with the name that it's a Linux based operating system which provide us a platform to to research on security, to test the ethical hacking and a lot of the security stuff we can test on this thing, because it provides us a platform with different kind of tools. Through the help of those tools we can test a lot of security stuff. So if you want to learn the security and all that ethical hacking and other stuff, so consider yourself subscribing this channel, and if you have any question feel free to leave into the comments below. So let's jump on the computer to start work on Kali Linux. So today we will install this Kali Linux into a VMware. I already created a video on VMware in detail that how we can create a virtual machine in VMware, so you can find that link into the description, or I will put also at the top. So if you don't know how to create a virtual machine in VMware, you can check that. Then we need to go to the Kali Linux official website. I will also put that link into the description. It will be an ISO file. You can see here it's Kali Linux 64-bit ISO. I already downloaded this one, so it's already into my downloads. So if you want to install fresh on any machine, then you need to run this. You need to install on a USB drive, and you need a Rufus software for that, so you can burn it and use that. But I'm installing it into a VMware, so I don't need to any software. So I will just go to the create a new machine and typical, and from there, so I'm just giving it 2 GB and then everything is in fast mode and name it Kali. So it's ready, it's just booting up now. Here's the multiple options, so we will go for the install. It will take a time little bit. Then it will say the select language is English, my area United States. Then it will install some basic stuff. The host name I'm leaving it as Kali. No domain name, so continue. The password, by default password can be root, so I'm also putting the root password here. Retype the password root, so you can see here it's ROOT. Continue. Eastern time zone, yes. These settings, in which country you're right now, you can configure according to that time zone, and the language you can use according to that. Then use the entire disk. This is the very important thing, that allocate this device around 20 GB. So it's going to use all the entire disk for one, because I'm using as a virtual machine. So that's why I'm giving all 20 GB for this one as a single drive. So it will take a while to install all that stuff. Continue. Yes. Drive. Yes, installation complete. Continue. You can continue the condition. So username and password I put both as a root. So it will be very easy to remember both, because I'm just using this as a test purposes. So here it is, the Kali is fully working, and let's set the screen resolution. Here you can see the internet is also working. Screen resolution, yes, it's okay with this. So you can see here internet is working because my host machine is connected with the internet, so that's why that one is also providing the internet to Kali. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.